What does a personal injury lawyer do? We'll give you a hint. We do a lot more than just dealing with car accidents. Hello there. I'm representing Hensley Legal Group, a personal injury law firm based out of Indiana. Today, I'm here to give you a rundown of the 7 most common types of personal injury cases we handle as a personal injury law firm. Because of the sheer number of them that occur, motor vehicle accidents make up a large volume of what we do. Motor vehicle accidents can involve standard-sized cars, trucks, motorcycles, Ubers and Lyfts, or possibly even pedestrians. Did a defective product cause you harm? Were you not provided adequate warnings about its risks? If so, you could have a product liability claim on your hands. Product liability claims aren't always as easy to prove. You will need to demonstrate the product was flawed and that its flaws are what caused your injury. Did a doctor prescribe you the wrong medication? Did they make a surgical error? Did they misdiagnose a serious medical condition? Doctors generally are required to have medical malpractice insurance because of how common medical errors are. While they usually won't be held liable if they provide reasonable care, providing patients with a substandard level of care could land them in hot water. As a patient, it's important to understand that medical malpractice can be complex to prove. For the best chances of success, we recommend working with a personal injury lawyer to file your claim. Did you injure yourself while on the job? Most employers are required to purchase workers' compensation insurance, which can be used to reimburse employees for any injuries they suffered at their workplace. Workers' compensation claims do not require employees to prove their employer was at fault. However, they will not cover non-economic damages, such as pain and suffering. Animal attacks account for a fair share of emergency room visits. While minor animal bites rarely result in serious injury, animal attacks can sometimes be fatal. This is why Indiana has what is called the one-bite rule. With this rule, a pet owner generally will be released of liability if their pet bites someone for the first time and does not have a history of violent or aggressive behavior. But if their pets bite someone again, their owner likely will be held responsible. Did you injure yourself because another person's property was hazardous? Maybe their floors were slippery. Maybe their sidewalk was uneven. Maybe their couch was infested with bed bugs. If a person owns a property, they have a duty of care. In other words, they have an obligation to maintain the health and safety of their environment for the public good. When they breach this duty, they could be held liable for any injuries incurred as a result of their negligence. Sadly, not all personal injury victims will survive their injuries. If they do ultimately succumb to them, their loved ones can pursue a wrongful death claim to seek compensation for their loss of companionship and any expenses they incurred as a result of their loved one's death, among other things. In Indiana, wrongful death claims for adult victims generally are filed by the executor or administrator of their estate. Wrongful death claims for child victims generally are filed by their parents or guardians. Now that we've touched on the most common types of personal injury cases, you're probably wondering whether you need a personal injury lawyer to file a claim. There is nothing in the law to stop you from pursuing a claim on your own, but having a lawyer by your side can prove immensely helpful for a few reasons. 1, they can help you say and do all the right things from the get-go. The claims process is like a game. Even one wrong move on your part can result in a denied claim. 2, your attorney can handle all the tedious aspects of the claims process on your behalf, so you can focus on recovering from your injuries. And 3, working with an attorney can help you secure the best possible settlement for your injuries. As a personal injury firm, we're of course going to tell you our services are well worth the price. What is the price, you ask? Nothing. At least not up front. At Hensley Legal, we only take fees if we win you a settlement. We hope this video has helped you understand when to hire a personal injury attorney. If you benefited from this video, we hope you hit the like and subscribe buttons below. Thanks for tuning in.